Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to make a Geometry Dash style game. Just to let you know, I've already made one of these right here, so I could show that eventually, but for now let's just start off with a new project. You can name this whatever you want. I don't really know what I'm going to name it, so I'm just going to keep it untitled. And I'm going to be splitting how to do this into multiple sections, multiple different videos. So I'm just going to name this just Geometry Dash. So we're first we're going to hit when start clicked. So we're going to be working on the basic code first. We're going to get a when start clicked, and then we're going to get a hide block. We're going to have a showing block later, so look. Now that we got that, we should start working on the background before we continue. I'm going to do a pitch black background, because honestly, it's just very simple, and I want to keep it simple right now. So I recommend doing this, but you can do whatever you want. So now that we have this, we're going to click paint. And then with paint, we're going to make a rectangle. It'll be a white rectangle. And then you're going to need to set this little thing here, the X position, to 0. Setting it to 0 is the best option, and I recommend setting the Y position to -90. There we go. Now we're going to take some text and fill in. I'm just going to say click to play! Exclamation point. So now we're going to take this, make it a bit bigger. And now that we have that, we're going to, I like naming my sprites so that I don't get lost. So now we're going to make it so it's when start clicked and when this sprite clicked. So then we're going to get a show block and a hide block. And then we're going to get a broadcasting block and make it so that when the sprite clicked, hide, and it'll broadcast begin. Or if you want another method, you can just make an invisible sprite and then when start clicked, and then then you can have it ask a question. I think I should do that because I think that it just seems right. So if you want to do that, we get 2 of these. When start clicked, ask I'm just going to say R. You can fill this out with whatever you want. Then you get these tools, this, and this. And then in the sensing blocks, you take the answer. Then you fill out the other thing. It's like yes, no, whatever. And then basically this would be yes, no. Then you could put like a broadcast block And then you could put something funny if they say no. That's just another way to do it. But mainly I'm going to go with this. So now that we got that, let's see what we have so far. Not much. Sucks. Like, this literally sucks. So we're going to need to add a bit more text. I kind of want to make the color scheme for the main logo a lightish dark blue, like how I did last time, a cyanish color. So I'm going to call this... Yeah, I'm going to have to think of a name later. But for now, I'm just going to put Geometry Dash. Because right now, that's all I can really put. Yeah, the easiest trick to getting it centered is doing this. There we go. So, yeah. Now it looks a bit better. See? Like, see how pitch black is? We need to change this up a bit. So, we're going to go back to backdrops. And then we're going to, I want a nice little forest landscape. So instead, I want to fill this in. Yeah, I'm going to have to, change this. I'm going to make it pitch black text. Dang, I honestly thought that would work. So we're going to take this, make it black. Then I'm going to fill the outside a nice blue color. That you don't want too dark of a blue, but too light of a blue. I recommend using 54, 100, 100. That color really has to stand out. So now that we have that, I'm going to make some grass. So I want like a 37 color. So 37, 168 is the recommended color. I'm just gonna keep it simple. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Because in case you don't know, those lines mean out of bounds, so you can't see it. Dang it. Whenever that happens, that means that there's some type of gap. So you always have to fill in that said gap. Yeah, see this? This cube? I have to drag it in a bit. So look, this wall, right here, right here, right here. I'm just gonna go 3573. Yeah, I don't understand why this isn't working. 1 second. I'm gonna draw a line down the edge, then a line down this edge. Hopefully that does something.